Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome to an epic journey through one of the most breathtaking and legendary roads on Earth, the Karakoram Highway in Pakistan. Often called the eighth wonder of the world, this incredible feat of engineering winds its way through some of the planet's highest and most dramatic mountain ranges. Get ready for stunning scenery, rich culture, and an adventure of a lifetime as we explore the majestic Karakoram Highway. What is the Karakoram Highway? A road through giants. The Karakoram Highway, KKH, is a high-altitude, 1,300-kilometer, 800-mile, highway connecting Pakistan and China. It traverses the Karakoram, Hindu Kush, and Pamir mountain ranges, offering unparalleled views of towering peaks, glaciers, and rugged landscapes. Building this highway was a monumental task, a testament to human perseverance in the face of immense natural challenges. Why journey the Karakoram Highway? Traveling the KKH is an experience unlike any other. Unrivaled mountain scenery, prepare to be awestruck by panoramic views of some of the world's highest mountains, including K2, Nanga Parbat, and Rakaposhi. Glacial wonders. Witness massive glaciers like the Parsu Glacier and Batura Glacier cascading down from the high peaks. Unique culture and hospitality. Encounter the diverse cultures of the regions the highway passes through, from the Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan to the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China. Experience the warm hospitality of the local people. Adventure and exploration. The KKH offers opportunities for trekking, mountaineering, photography, and simply immersing yourself in a remote and stunning environment. Historical significance. The highway itself is a historical achievement, and the regions it connects have a rich past, with ancient Silk Road routes running through them. Our journey through the Pakistani section, we'll focus on the Pakistani side of the Karakoram Highway, highlighting key stops and experiences. Islamabad to Abbottabad, Mansehra. Our journey often begins from Islamabad, heading towards the foothills of the Himalayas and the gateway towns to the KKH. Bisham and Kohistan. Experience the changing landscapes as you ascend into the mountains, passing through the rugged terrain of Kohistan. Gilgit, the capital of Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit is a crucial stop with stunning views and a vibrant local culture. Explore the local bazaars and learn about the region's history. Hunza Valley. Prepare to be mesmerized by the legendary Hunza Valley, known for its breathtaking beauty, friendly people, and long lifespans. Visit Karimabad, Baltit Fort, and Altit Fort, and enjoy the stunning views of Rakaposhi. Parsu Cones and Hussaini Hanging Bridge. Witness the iconic Parsu Cones, dramatic jagged peaks, and perhaps brave a walk across the thrilling Hussaini Hanging Bridge, for the adventurous. Kunjerab Pass. Reach the roof of the world at the Kunjerab Pass, the highest paved international border crossing globally, connecting Pakistan and China. Experience the thin air and the incredible views. Experiences along the way, witnessing the confluence of major mountain ranges. Trekking to scenic viewpoints and base camps. Interacting with local communities and learning about their traditions. Sampling the unique cuisine of the Gilgit-Baltistan region. Capturing stunning photographs of the majestic landscapes. Feeling the sheer scale and grandeur of the Karakoram Mountains. Planning your Karakoram Highway adventure. Best time to visit. Spring, April, May, and autumn, September, October, generally offer the best weather conditions. Summer, June, August, is also possible but can be hot at lower altitudes. Winter brings heavy snowfall and road closures in many sections. Visa requirements. Ensure you have the necessary visa to enter Pakistan. Permits. Certain areas along the KKH might require special permits. Research and obtain these in advance. Altitude sickness. Be aware of the risks of altitude sickness as the highway reaches very high elevations. Acclimatize gradually. Accommodation. Options range from basic guest houses to more comfortable hotels in larger towns. Transportation. You can travel by public transport, buses, shared jeeps, hire a private vehicle with a driver, or join an organized tour. Safety. Stay informed about the local conditions and follow any safety guidelines provided by authorities or your guides. Conclusion. An unforgettable journey. Traveling the Karakoram Highway is more than just a road trip. It's an immersive experience into a world of towering mountains, ancient cultures, and breathtaking beauty. It's a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home, offering a profound appreciation for the raw power and majesty of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Outro. Are you dreaming of embarking on a Karakoram highway adventure? What aspects of this journey excite you the most? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible travel destinations and adventures around the world. Thanks for watching.